The sleeping dog. Long ago, in the time before there were people, a dog was found sleeping in the middle of a dark forest. It was sleepy on its side when it lay. Spread in front of it were habits. It was the first dog to live on the earth. Most of the time, the dog just slept. The dog slept all day. It was a problem, but it became a problem when a monkey saw it lying there. Now the monkey was a nice enough animal, but it caused more than its share of trouble. The monkey jumped off a tree to the ground. It looked at the dog from the front. It looked at the dog from the front and then from the back. The monkey couldn't make head or tail of this creature. So the monkey climbed into a tree and hung upside down. Different from that aid, the dog looked just the same upside down. The monkey couldn't figure out what the dog was. Remember that this was the very first dog on earth. No one has even seen a dog before. The monkey wanted to tell the other animal what it has found. The monkey, as I'm sure you know, have a big mouth. Many animals came to see what the monkey had found. So the monkey began. Is this the new creature I has found? Have any of you seen one before? An elephant banged its head way down and looked at the dog. Well, said the elephant, covering its trunk as it spoke. It's not an elephant. Thanks a lot, said Monkey. You aren't being very helpful. Next in line was a Okapi. It took a good look at the sleeping dog in a voice the other could barely hear. The Okapi said, sorry, I can't help you. It's not an OP, and I'm sure it isn't a giraffe. Now it's worse. pangolin turn. Its body was covered in rough scale. The pangolin was very slow. If the pangolin has any thought about the dog, no one would hear than the pangolin. Look at the sleeping dog for a very long time. Then it rocked back and forth, sat to the ground, and fell asleep. Would say the word. The monkey asked every animal take a turn. Then it looked at the sleeping dog. No one of them knew what is a or who family it belonged to. A tortoise was sitting quietly in a tree. No one was sure how it had got up there, but another story. The tortoise was very smart and was also very old. It knew that what the dog was. In fact, it knew just about everything that was to know. Can you give up? The tortoise asked the monkey. The monkey replied, yes, I think so. We cannot decide who family this creature is from. The tortoise replied, you must want to call him dog. Useless. You have a better name. If you ask me and you didn't, dog is the perfect